I recycled a paper too early, I think. No, I didn't. Where did it go? This is really good material to have on the video. Oh, there it is. Okay. Ah! Yeah, today's the letter of the day is Mrs. Glacier struggling. Okay. All right, number 7 says a company ordering parts receives a charge of $25 for shipping and handling plus $20 per part. Which equation represents the cost in dollars for ordering P parts? Okay, so we want to know the total cost. So if we ordered 0 things and just had them send us a box of nothing, how much would that cost us?
Well, we have no idea. Like, $25.
$25 for shipping and handling. Just for sending a box with nothing in it, it's going to be $25. Okay? So our cost is going to be $25. And then it says plus $20 per part. So $20 per part. What does that mean? $20?
You get $20 for every part that you have, so $20 C.
$20 or P, for the parts. No, so P. Yeah, $20. What operation?
P, like parts.
Multiplication.
20,
Thank you. Yeah, 20 times parts. Okay, which is 20P. Okay, which one is that? Han's just listing the whole alphabet. Okay, number 8 says which property is illustrated by the statement? Who can help me with this one? Bella.
It's the distributive property.
Okay, how do we know it's the distributive property?
They're taking out things and multiplying them.
Yeah, so we're taking this 5 and we multiply it by A and by 6. So we get 5 times A plus 5 times 6. That's the distributive property. All right, we get the number 7 and 8 down? Okay, cool. All right, number 9. This is the one where if you just did this and said the answer, I'm not really sure how you got it. Okay, so 46.8 goes in the box. If you need more room, you can do it down here as well. Okay, and then 0.156 goes outside the box. What's my first step? Ahan. Yeah, I need to move this decimal how many times? 1, 2, 3. So I moved it 3 times. Okay, which means I need to move this one 3 times. Okay, and then these little gaps, what do I put there? Zeros. All right, so I'm going to rewrite the problem. So I have 46,800 divided by 156. Okay, can 156 go into 4? Can it go into 46? Can it go into 468? How many times do we think? Okay, let's try that. So down below, I'm going to do, so that I have some room, 156 times 3, that's our estimate. 6 times 3 is 18, carry my 1. 3 times 5 plus 1, 16, carry my 1. 3 times 1 plus 1. Oh, well, that's nice. Okay, so it goes into 468 exactly 3 times. And we subtract and we get 0. Whoever's spinning the coin, please put it away. Okay, then we bring down the 0. How many times does 156 go into 0? 0 times. Okay, so we bring down our last 0. How many times does 156 go into 0? 0. Okay, so I'm out of numbers up here, and I have a remainder of 0, so I am done. What's my answer? 300. Number 10. What percent of the mural is painted red? Okay, so for this one, we need to count how many squares are painted red, and then we also need to know how many total squares there are. Jackson, how many are painted red? Oh, okay, so who can tell me how many there are painted red? 48. Out of?
200.
It's, yeah. So if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 times, because we can just do 20 times the height. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 20 times 10 gives me 200. Okay, I want a percent, which means I want a fraction out of 100. Can I get from 200 to 100? How? Divide by 2. 48 divided by 2 is 24. So what is my percent? 24%. Number 11 says, which expression is equivalent to 28x plus 70? So for this one, we are going to solve all of these and figure out which ones equal 28 plus 70. We need to make sure we check each one. So we're going to do the distributive property for this. Okay, what's 14 times 2x? 28x. What is 14 times 5? 70. And then they have a plus between them. Is that what I wanted? That's convenient. It was the first one, but let's just check and see what the other ones are as well. Okay, what is 14 times 5x? 70x. So I immediately know that's not right. Okay, what's 2 times 14x? 28x. Okay, that looks good. And 2 times 5? 10. Oops. Yeah, not good. Okay, and then finally 14 times 7x? 98x. All right. And number 12. Says, what is the first step in evaluating the expression? So what are we going to do for this problem? Yeah, PEMDAS. So what does the P stand for? Parentheses. Do we have parentheses here? Yes. And what's in the parentheses? So that's what we're going to do first, is add 5 and 2, which is G. Josiah brought up something interesting. This looks weird, doesn't it? These parentheses and then a 2. That's because after we do this, we would have 3 times 7 squared. Okay, and then we would divide that by 7. Whoa, okay, we're all getting up.